put it in, calibrate it, show me how to use it, and we're working with it. Unicontrol3D was very easy to learn how to use and get up to speed with it. They came out, installed it, and calibrated it, and the next day we were using it. The software is very user-friendly. It was very easy to learn the basics of it, about using it for cut fill, laying out contour lines, and different things that we needed to do. The training and getting up to speed on the unit control was super easy, and being able to do it on site versus having to go to a classroom was a huge thing for us. I was able to learn how to use it and then immediately implement it and start working with it. There was no dragging it out for 3 or 4 days, having to learn this about it, learn that about it. It was put it in, calibrate it, show me how to use it, and we're working with it. Unicontrol3D is helping us do our job better by being more accurate, which is cutting down on time, which is helping us get jobs done quicker and keeping customers happy and getting us more jobs in the long run. Unicontrol3D saves us time as far as having to get surveyors out here. If I was to try to call and get a surveyor right now, I'm looking at a 1 to 2 week lead time, and which would cause us to have a lot of downtime. With Unicontrol3D, we're able to keep working, keep producing out here and stay efficient.